Okay, after excavator has pulled out some parts of the wall where a wall was found without window and doors. So here it is, a draining of the well is about to commence. You can see excavator that pull off a part of the wall. Yeah, this is the excavator. Then here is the foundation. Then this is the wall and this is the well. This is the wall, this thing. Okay. Now, draining of the water is about to commence. You can see where pipes are being laid. Pipes are laid. Okay. So, you follow us bit by bit. We'll be giving you detail. We'll be updating you on what is going on at the demolition estate at Chezami Balwaka. So here it is. This is the very well. We'll be giving you updates bit by bit. God bless you all.